Let's start with the book. In this exercise, we filled the blank space with the words that gave us the book in base of the context of the sentences. In the exercise B, we tell to our partner about the friends who are important in our life, and in the exercise C, reading the title of the page 5, we answer the question with the correct answer. In this activity, we need to read the text for answer the exercise D, and then we answer true or false according to the previous text in the exercise F. Underline the correct transitions. In the page number 7, we complete the exercise H with information learned in the exercise G. In the activity I, we complete each sentence with a comparative or superlative form of the adjective in parentheses and check if the statement is true for you. In the page 8, we fill the blank space with a word from the box of the activity A, and then check if while listening to the CD. In this exercise, we need to fill the blank with the words in the blue box, in base with the context. After that, we need to listen the track 4 in the CD and answer the question and listen again to know if the sentences are true or false. In this activity, we complete each question with a phrasal verb from the box, and then we fill the blanks with and, both, or so, as appropriate. In the research activity, we ask question and answer in relationship with one holiday. In the activity share, like the name says, we share our information with a partner, and in the exercise D, we present to our classmate about the holiday you choose. Here, we look the picture and map and answer their questions about the scheme, the article, for choose the best answer, and after that, finally, read in deep the same article and answer the question. In this exercise, with the help of a dictionary, complete the chart. Then, we circle the correct answer if the verb has to be in infinitive form or conjugate. And in the exercise E, in our notebook or book, we classify the words given above if they are positive or happy meaning, negative or unhappy meaning, or other words. In this activity, we complete the sentence with the correct answer, then speak with our partner about 3 ways you use spoken communication in your daily basis. And after that, we need to read the title and heading of the page 19 and scan the article for answer to questions. We read the lecture of the page 19 and choose the right answer of each one, and then underline the example of definition in each sentence, and thus conclude by stressing the propositional phrase in each sentence. Again, we complete the sentence with a word from the box and talking about how make life better in the city where we live. In this exercise, we complete the paragraph with the words of the blue box in relation with the context. And after all that, we need to listen to track 7 and choose the best answer. In this activity, we complete the sentence with the present perfect form of the verb in parentheses and choose the right answer for complete the paragraph. In the research activity, we look for WH question with answer about an issue in our city, share the information with a mate, and present to our classmates. In this activity, we look the picture to answer the first activity, and then we skim and read in depth the article for answer the question. Here, we complete the chart with help of a dictionary and then select the correct form from each sentence in the exercise C and review the word in the activity D and classify the word. And finally, we write why tourists visit the tourist cities and what are the pros and cons of living in a popular tourist destination, and then we watch a video about Venice and answer questions about it. Let's start with the notebook. The first we do was writing the evaluation criteria of the class, and we write a text about who I am. Then answer what types of reading habits I have and write the title, author's name, illustrator names, among other things about our book and the book of a partner. After that, we write the principal ideas of each paragraph of our book. We paste the rules of coexistence signed by the parents. The teacher gave us a text called Fact versus Opinion, and we write 10 sentences which I think is a fact, an opinion, according with the author, and scan the information and make 50 questions about it. We do homework of write what mean skimming, scanning, fact and opinion, and inferring meanings. We ask questions about what makes us happy, and we make a mental map about it. And we make an inferring game in couples. In the next activity, we make homework about finding happiness, and we write about the relationship with a friend or family member. And then we present in team holiday and do a summary about each holiday. We make a line of lifetime of page 13 and answer the question of the page 16 in our notebook. In teams, we play with new vocabulary, making a paragraph using the words adapt, entertain, printing, require, and portable. And the video that put the teacher about Venice, we answer questions about it. In the next and final exercise, answer questions about the money and what we think about some phrases. After that, we answer questions about a photo in a market and wrote a text about it. And we find the verbs, adjectives, prepositions, adverbs, and nouns. Thank you for listening.